This is the male pin, which was designed to hold the hinge and the clamp body together. This was first created by creating a boss extrude on the right plane. This circle is a diameter of 1 centimeter and then is extruded by 0.5 centimeters. After that, another sketch was made on the right plane of this circle of a circle radius or diameter of 0.53. Then is placed exactly into the middle of the previous made circle. This circle is then extruded by 3 centimeters. After that, a fillet on the back corner of the left plane of the original extrude was made, which is 0.5 centimeters, creating the male pin.